This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I will show you how to send a gift message on Instagram. As everyone knows, Instagram has become the most used and preferable social media network nowadays. With constant updates, people are now questioning how they can handle new Instagram updates. It is not easy to learn how to use Instagram. It has become very complicated to use, especially due to the new updates. The last update made before the New Year's was presented in a gift box to send a message. Now, in order to send a gift message on Instagram, tap on the application to open it. Once you are on your Instagram homepage, all you have to do is enter the Instagram DM box. Click on the person you want to send the message to. Normally, when you text a message to somebody on Instagram, the camera tool appears on the left side of the message box. With the new updates of the Instagram, all you have to do is type the message you want. Click the search icon that is on the left side. Then click on the gifts or flaming tools that appear. Now you have successfully sent a gift message on Instagram. So this is how you do it. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.